One morning, I woke up feeling like my body was twice as heavy. My arms felt weak, my legs barely moved, and my mind was in a fog. It wasn't just tiredness, it felt like something inside me had shut down. I told myself it was just another rough morning, that I needed coffee, maybe more sleep. But deep down, I knew something was wrong. As the days passed, it only got worse. No matter how much I rested, I woke up drained. At work, I struggled to concentrate, forgetting things I normally wouldn't. My motivation disappeared, even for the things I used to enjoy. Friends would invite me out, and I'd make excuses because I didn't have the energy. I started looking for answers. Maybe I wasn't eating well enough. Maybe I needed to exercise more. I tried everything: green smoothies, cold showers, new workout routines, but nothing worked. I felt like my body was running on empty, and I had no idea why. One night, after another exhausting day, I found myself researching late into the night. When I stumbled upon something I had never considered before. The problem wasn't tea, just lack of sleep or stress. It was happening inside my cells. Our bodies rely on mitochondria to produce energy. They take the food we eat and turn it into the fuel our cells need. But over time, stress, toxins, and poor nutrition weaken them. And when mitochondria stop working properly, fatigue becomes constant, no matter how much you rest. That realization hit me hard. I wasn't just tired, I was running on broken fuel. And the worst part? Millions of people are experiencing this and don't even know it. The good news? There's a way to support mitochondria and restore energy naturally. Scientists have discovered that certain nutrients play a vital role in keeping mitochondria healthy: Coenzyme Q10, Magnesium, and B vitamins help recharge them, giving the body the fuel it needs to function properly. When I finally found a way to give my body what it needed, everything changed. In just a few weeks, I started waking up refreshed. My mind felt clearer. I didn't need coffee to get through the day. For the first time in a long time, I had the energy to truly enjoy life. If you're feeling constantly drained, if your energy disappears no matter how much you rest, your body might be trying to tell you something. And ignoring it won't make it go away. There's a way to take back control, to wake up every morning feeling strong and alert again. Click the link in the description and find out how to restore your energy before it's too late.